Hello guys. Now I want to give you information about the specs-owned Porsche 718 Cayman S. Vehicle type, mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, 2-passenger, 2-door hatchback. Prices tested, $82,290. Base price, $67,350. Engine type, turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 16-valve flat-bore, aluminum block and heads. Direct fuel injection. Displacement, 152 cu in, 2,497 cc. Power, 350 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Torque, 309 pounds-feet at 1,900 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 97.4 in. Length, 172.4 in. Width, 70.9 in. Height, 50.6 in. Passenger volume, 49 cu feet. Cargo volume, 15 cu feet. Curb weight, 3,087 lb. CD test results. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.1 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour, 9.3 seconds. 0 to 130 miles per hour, 16.2 seconds. 0 to 150 miles per hour, 24.8 seconds. Rolling start, 5 to 60 miles per hour, 5.3 seconds. Top gear, 30 to 50 miles per hour, 8.3 seconds. Top gear, 50 to 70 miles per hour, 5.6 seconds. Standing 1/4 mile, 12.4 seconds at 115 miles per hour. Top speed, drag limited, MFRS claim, 177 miles per hour. Braking, 70 to 0 miles per hour, 145 feet. Road holding, 300 feet via skid pad, 1.04 grams. CD fuel economy. Observed, 19 mpg. 75 mph highway driving, 29 mpg. Highway range, 490 miles. EPA fuel economy. Combined city, highway, 22, 26 mpg.